Hey guys, welcome to this short tutorial video where I'm going to show you how to find hidden apps on Android. Now it could be pretty much different depending upon what Android device you have. So for example, on Redmi phones, you can simply use two fingers and swipe to separate directions like this. And as you can see, it shows me all of my hidden apps. Now it could be different on yours. So the simple way that you can find all of your hidden apps is simply go to your settings on your phone and then search for hidden apps. You should have an option which says hidden apps or something related to it. You can open up this option and as you can see, it shows you your hidden apps. Now you can simply remove or add your apps through this section. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these videos, then also make sure to hit that bell button so you get notified for more videos similar to this. That's gonna be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.